I'm back at Janus Motorsports here in Goshen, Indiana, and today I am going to be test driving the Phoenix 250. The Phoenix 250 that I will be test driving is a little bit modified. It's lowered an inch. It's a different seat. Here we go. All right, the Phoenix 250. This is a cafe racer type styled motorcycle that Janus makes. Let's see what this says. The first time I've ever ridden one, so it's pretty interesting. This bike is fun. God, this bike is really fun. Ooh. Wow, what a difference. So this bike handles way different, obviously, for many reasons. Way different than the Halcyon model, but it is so fun. Man, the shocks feel good. The back shocks feel great. So this bike sounds pretty much identical to the Halcyon. First time I've been on a bike that I'm leaning forward. It is a little different. Kind of got to get used to it, I guess. But you know what? This gas tank here, I'm gonna look down real quick. This gas tank is so nice. I mean, it just fits with your body and it's great. I like it. They did a great design on the gas tank. Bike is snappy. A lot of people don't know this about these Janus motorcycles, is that these 250cc motors really like to rev up high, and I didn't know that for about a year when I had my bike. So when I discovered that, it was had a lot more power, and the bike turned into be a lot more fun. Suspension on the bike is great, like going over bumps, it's fine. I'll hit this hole right here, no problems. Those railroad tracks with this suspension, no problem. Another great motorcycle by Janus. Wow, this bike feels great. I mean, it feels great. This would be an amazing bike if you lived like metropolitan areas. I mean, it'd be great. I mean, you would be able to zip around town in this thing without any problems. It'd be so fun. Potholes, no problem, right over them. fun. What a fun bike. Oh, we're gonna turn around and go down that road. Alright, we're gonna head back towards the city of Goshen. Wow, this bike wants to turn. Oh man. But this bike just wants to turn. Like, watch this. Like, it is just so agile. It just goes back and forth. No problems. Just, it's beautiful. Wow. Great. By the way, guys, I just want everyone to know who watches this that I am not a professional motorcycle rider or driver. I am new to bikes, so please, I know I don't ride bikes the greatest, but I'm learning. Alright, so we're back into town, and I kind of want to bop around town with this thing to just see how it rides, because I think this bike would be a great city bike. You know, imagine you live in a city, you take this bike out, you drive it, and then you get some time off on the weekends and you want to go out to the country or some twisty roads. This thing is just, it's gonna be that bike, you know. I mean, no problem. This bike just turns corners like it's nothing. Guys, so that was fun. The Phoenix 250 is definitely worth test driving and looking into. I would definitely own that bike if I lived in a city. It would definitely be the bike for you. So I'm gonna say goodbye here and go check out the other last couple videos I made on my Halcyon. I started it for the first time this year, and I took it for a ride the first time this year. And I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. If you can, please give me a thumbs up. Share it, also subscribe. Thank you.